Are you looking for a way to kickstart your creativity? Did you know doodling is a great way to build your free motion quilting skills? My friend Dara Tomasson is hosting a doodle challenge with daily prompts to get those creative juices flowing. I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. Today I am sharing my first 10 designs from the Daily Doodle Challenge. Let's get started. When I began free motion quilting on my Gamma long arm machine, I knew I needed to practice the designs on paper before I moved to needle and thread. I bought a sketchbook with a little bit heavier artistic paper and a gel point ballpoint pen. Daily prompts are my favorite way to get consistent practice with different design ideas. I am also a chronic joiner, so if something is called a challenge, you can probably bet I will be signing up. Make sure to check out the hashtag Dara Doodle Challenge so that you can see everyone's work. Parts 2 and 3 of this design challenge will share the rest of my design. Day 1's prompt was lines. I tried to keep the spacing consistent, change directions, and cover the page in sections without lifting my pen. Day 2 was circles. Again, vary the sizes, change directions, do different clusters. Day 3 was swirl, and I started with a large swirl and then came back around with smaller swirls. This is a pretty basic free motion design I've used a lot. Day 4 is leaves. I like that rounded shape, and then I tried some different variations. Day 5 is holly, perfect for the holiday season. I made a line and then filled some blocks. I had fun with the bubbles prompt, putting some bubbles in a bathtub, and then I really caught my attention with thought bubbles and the speaking cartoon bubbles. The next prompt is twist, and I started off with a single line and then did some loops that cross, and then I love making a ribbon free motion and having that echo line look like a ribbon twirling across the page. Day 8 is echo. Again, I'm trying not to lift my pen off the paper as I make these different shapes and echo the lines back and forth. Day 9 was star. So I connected some 5-point stars and then tried to echo them. Day 10 was triangles, making triangles along a single line, and then you can see my variations where I echoed inside and around the triangles, different orientations. Our stitches can take us in many different directions. Check out the designs I used in a triangle quilt in the video below. Please hit that subscribe button and come back next week for more quilting inspiration from True Blue Quilts.